So, the Google Pixel 8a currently holds the crown as the best affordable smartphone on the market, but its reign may be coming to an end soon. Google is widely expected to unveil the Pixel 9a this month, and if leaks are accurate, it will retain the attractive $499 starting price, keeping it firmly in the budget-friendly category for another year. We've already seen a few reports about the Pixel 9a's color options, but an unexpected new leak offers further confirmation. Android Authority has obtained a set of official wallpapers designed for the phone, giving us a clear preview of what could soon grace the Pixel 9a's lock and home screens. Why do wallpapers matter? Because Google has a habit of coordinating its device colors with matching backgrounds, a trend we've seen across past Pixel releases. The newly leaked wallpapers follow the same formula, aligning with previously reported colors. Each of the 4 shades, Obsidian, Porcelain, Iris, and Raspberry, has its own dedicated wallpaper set, with both light and dark mode versions. These designs appear to be stylized evolutions of the floral patterns Google used on earlier models, reinforcing their authenticity. While color options are fun, what's inside the Pixel 9a is what really matters, and it seems Google isn't holding back. The phone is expected to be powered by the same Tensor G4 processor found in the flagship Pixel 9, ensuring impressive performance for its price. It's also rumored to pack 8 GB of RAM and start with 128 GB of internal storage, with a 256 GB option available for those needing extra space. Battery life should see a modest boost as well, with a reported 5100 mAh capacity, up slightly from the 4492 mAh cell in the Pixel 8a. The biggest design shift could come from the camera layout. Google's signature camera bar, present since the Pixel 6, may be scrapped in favor of a smaller, pill-shaped camera module. This updated housing will reportedly hold a 48-megapixel primary camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. With a rumored March 18 launch date, we won't have to wait long to see if these details pan out. Google's next budget contender could be just around the corner. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 9a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.